Hey guys, ratchet style video, sorry. I don't have my backdrop and everything, but I know I said I was going to tell you guys when we were accepting new subscribers. So we are accepting new subscribers for October, so your first box will be October, because we're out of certain items for the September box, obviously, because it was like super popular. So thank you to everyone who subscribed. But everyone who was wondering about next month, you can certainly subscribe now. Subscriptions are open, and we're also having Double the Glam again. So it's going to be the Hollywood palette and the Downtown palette. So everyone's going to get the Hollywood palette in their in the normal Glitz Glam box, and the add-on for the Double the Glam would be the Downtown palette. So I'll put a picture in so that you guys can see the differences in the colors. But it's a really cute collection. We personally know Iconic Beauty LA. They're so sweet over there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put in. Oh, also I'll put in the spoiler of the lippy. I know some people were saying they don't like pink, and I'm like, pink is everything. But yeah. So yeah, here's the spoiler for the Double the Glam, both the palettes. So you get the Hollywood in the normal Glitz Glam box, and then the add-on would be for the Double the Glam would be the Downtown palette. So I'll put it side by side. I made this little collage so you can see all the shades, and I'm gonna film that tutorial and unboxing probably, I don't know about today because I already did my makeup today, but maybe tomorrow or something I'll film that one. And I'm thinking I want to do like a burgundy smoky eye. Who knows? So yeah, so I'll put the spoilers in, and yeah, guys, have a good weekend, and leave a comment down below if you know, like the spoilers, or if you have any questions or concerns. You can always hit me up. Like, you can email me, DM, leave a comment here. I go through all of them. I literally try to respond as soon as I can. But yeah, so we also have a Facebook page. But yeah, subscriptions are open now. And until the next video, guys.